United Airlines retiring Boeing 757s, end of an era. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. United Airlines is officially moving toward the future by planning the retirement of its iconic Boeing 757 fleet. In this video, we break down everything you need to know about this major aviation update. The Boeing 757 has been a backbone of United's operations for decades, known for its range, power, and reliability. But with rising maintenance costs and the arrival of modern aircraft, United is making a strategic shift. Right pointing finger emoji. What you'll learn in this video: why United Airlines is retiring Boeing 757s, timeline of the retirement plan, which aircraft will replace the 757, impact on routes and passengers, what makes the 757 so special. This is a must-watch for aviation enthusiasts and frequent flyers. Timeline for retirement. United Airlines plans to phase out its remaining Boeing 757 fleet by the end of 2026. Some retirements have already begun, with around 22 aircraft expected to leave service in early 2026, marking the end of an era for these workhorse jets after nearly 30 years of service at the airline. Current fleet status. As of early 2026, United operates about 61 Boeing 757s, both -200 and -300 variants, many over 25 years old with an average age of around 26.9 years. These aircraft, largely inherited from the Continental merger, have been reliable but are now showing their age. Aging aircraft challenges, high maintenance costs, increasing downtime, and parts scarcity drive the retirement. Older 757s require more frequent and complex upkeep, especially with mixed engine types. Pratt & Amp, Whitney-powered ones were retired earlier. Replacement aircraft. The Airbus A321XLR is the primary successor, with United ordering 50 units. Deliveries are expected to ramp up in 2026, offering similar range capabilities with better fuel efficiency, modern cabins, and lower emissions. The Boeing 737 MAX 10 will handle many domestic and shorter routes. Operational strengths of the 757. The 757 excelled on long and thin routes, long-distance flights with moderate passenger demand that didn't justify widebodies. Its strong performance from shorter runways and transatlantic capabilities kept it flying longer than expected. Economic factors. Fully depreciated 757s were profitable due to low ownership costs and commonality with the 767 fleet for pilot training and maintenance. However, rising fuel prices and efficiency demands now favor newer jets. Sustainability and passenger experience. Newer replacements reduce fuel burn and emissions, aligning with industry sustainability goals. Modern cabins in the A321XLR provide better passenger comfort, addressing expectations that older 757 interiors struggle to meet. Fleet modernization strategy. Retiring the 757s is part of United's broader plan to streamline its narrow-body fleet, improve reliability, and reduce complexity. This shift supports growth while addressing capacity adjustments amid economic pressures. Impact on routes. The 757 supported key domestic, Caribbean, and transatlantic routes. Its retirement will see capacity shifts, with A321XLRs taking over premium long-haul narrow-body services. United even expanded some 757 European flights into 2026 as a bridge. End of an iconic era. The 757, known for its versatility and pocket rocket performance, will soon exit United's fleet. Only a handful of airlines still operate passenger 757s in 2026, highlighting the type's transition to freighter or niche roles elsewhere. This retirement reflects United's commitment to a younger, more efficient fleet amid rising costs and technological advances. The move should enhance reliability and competitiveness while closing the chapter on a legendary aircraft. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.